Hello and a very warm welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. My name is James Garnett and I have the absolute pleasure to be showing you around and demonstrating some of the features on this beautiful, all new 2023 model full-size Range Rover 4.4 P530 SV. That's right, we have the special vehicle operations model of the all-new full-size Range Rover. The car has only covered just 1,174 miles, and would you believe the vehicle also has an additional £17,978 of factory-fitted optional extras. That's in addition to all of the standard specification that you get with the SV. And while we're discussing the SV, we do have SV badging on the rear tailgate there. Car is quite simply superb. Land Rover have gone to great lengths to get this car to market, and we have the pleasure to be bringing it to you. And I'd like to take some time now just to talk you through some of the features and controls and talk you through some of these options. Now, we have to start with the 23-inch forged style 1077 satin dark grey alloy wheels with the Narvik black inserts, as you can see there. They were £3,600 from factory. Just to demonstrate the next features, if I just open the door here, you'll notice that we have the electrically deployable side steps, which were £3,398 cost option. And then as we move into the cockpit, we are blessed to have the SV Intrepid Ebony Semi-Aniline leather seats with ebony interior, which, as you can imagine, for the mileage and age of this vehicle is immaculate. I'll just keep us on the outside of the vehicle for the time being. The full-size Range Rover is known for its Atlas accents. And if we just get in here slightly, you may be able to see that we actually have the SV badging on the accents there. There we go. Beautiful. A very nice, classy touch from Land Rover there. And we're still not done. Other features do include an electrically deployable tow bar at £1,095, a black contrast roof at £950, and the paint alone, the special metallic Carpathian Grey, at £865. Now, as I said, this is all the additional specification. We do have the standard features to talk you through. So I'll come back to the cabin here and could talk you through the 3-stage electric memory seats for both driver and front passenger. So if there is more than one driver, that will record your driving position exactly, and not only the seat but the steering column and the mirrors. For a nice crisp clean sound, we have the Meridian surround sound system, and to brighten up the cabin, of course, a sliding panoramic sunroof. I'll just cast our eyes back over the windscreen here. You may be able to see, that's right, we have the heads-up display, so that will project the speed and any traffic signs onto the windscreen, meaning there's no need for you to take your eyes off the road. And not only for the front two passengers, but as I take into the rear of the vehicle, plenty of infotainment for the rear passengers also, with the full new electric screen just in the center console here, which will also control the seats, the lighting, the climate and the blinds that are in the rear of the vehicle. All seats are not only heated but ventilated and do come with a massage function. The rear passengers have the blessing of the memory package also. And I'm just going to take us to the rear of the vehicle here and open up our tailgate. because as you may notice, we have a couple of cushions in the back here. So we do actually have the event suite package. Whether you're going to a show, shooting, whatever the occasion may be, you can rest comfy on a rear tailgate there and enjoy a drink and a nice little bite to eat. I'd just now like to take this opportunity for you taking the time to watch this video. Hope that you found that useful. I would certainly encourage a visit to see us here at AMT in Leeds to see this vehicle in the flesh. It is quite simply stunning.